Here's how I created the Lilo and Stitch look. Starting off with my NYX Modern Dreamer palette and taking this red-orange color and packing the crease line. So originally I was going in with this lime color, but I honestly didn't like it, so I grabbed my NYX Ultimate palette and took this green color and added that onto my eyelid. Now this next part was very difficult for me in doing these leaves. Ultimately, I ended up giving up on this first design and decided to start from scratch. So what I did was I got this paint from Thread, a company that is sold in Target, and I used the brush to create these little oval shapes. Next, I decided to put a little bit of definition to each of the leaves to make it look more realistic, and I did that by simply using dark eyeshadow. And to finish the look, I did a eyeliner with my e.l.f. liquid liner. If you guys are liking this video so far, please hit a like and subscribe to my channel. Taking this blue eyeshadow and adding it to my other eyelid. And just a little heads up, this stitch look took me forever. Next, I'm going in with these two purple shades for the crease line. This was my first failed attempt. I was going to make him into a big creature thing on my eyebrow, but then I was like, you know what? No, I'm going to add him on my eyeliner now. So that's why I'm adding the eyeliner here. You know, I think everything's gonna turn out fine. But then I started this here and I was like, no, this is not looking cute. So I'm like, no, you know what? I'm gonna make my eyelid, my eyeball lid, the head, and then add the ears, as if my eyeball crease is his head. And this is what I was able to do. And this still took me forever, guys. Took me forever. Here is where I'm adding more definition to the ears to emphasize, you know, the little cuts he has on his ears. Still taking forever. Then to finalize the look, I added lipstick, you know, my foundation, my concealer, everything, contour, and this was the final look. Let me know what you guys think. A lot of hard work put into this, okay? Drawing on my eyes is something very brand new for me, so let me know for real how I did. Anyways, thanks for watching. Love you guys. See you on my next video.